KC House by Wahana Architects is a remarkable example of how thoughtful design can harmonize with the unique characteristics of a site while meeting the personal preferences and cultural values of the homeowner. Situated on a pentagon-shaped plot, this three-story residence stands out not just for its unusual land shape, but also for the way it seamlessly integrates the natural surroundings with modern living spaces. The property boasts a lush front garden and a tranquil green area at the back, complete with a small river that adds to the serene atmosphere. However, the proximity of nearby apartments presented a challenge in terms of privacy, which required creative architectural solutions. The architects turned to Feng Shui principles to organize the layout of the house, ensuring that the spaces flowed harmoniously and promoted positive energy throughout the home. The client's desire for casual outdoor seating was also a key consideration, leading to the inclusion of inviting outdoor spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By splitting the building into two parts across 3 floors, Wahana Architects allowed natural sunlight to penetrate the center of the home, creating a bright and welcoming environment. On the ground floor, the design caters to practical needs with a carport, entrance area, and versatile spaces that can be adapted to various functions. There is also a guest bedroom and service areas, all thoughtfully arranged to maximize the available space. Moving up to the 2nd floor, the main living areas offer a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The living room, dining area, kitchen, and outdoor seating area are all positioned to take full advantage of the garden views and the green front area. Privacy is enhanced through the use of laser-cut designs that shield the home from the gaze of the tall apartments behind it, ensuring a sense of seclusion without sacrificing natural light or ventilation. The 3rd floor is dedicated to the family's private quarters, with a master bedroom, 3 children's bedrooms, and a cozy family room. A snug corner provides an intimate space for relaxation, while the layout of the rooms adheres to Feng Shui guidelines, ensuring a peaceful and balanced living environment. The thoughtful placement of these spaces reflects the architect's commitment to blending cultural traditions with modern design, creating a home that is both contemporary and rooted in time-honored principles. In summary, KC House by Wahana Architects is a masterful example of how a challenging site can be transformed into a unique and harmonious living space. By embracing the distinctive shape of the land, integrating the natural surroundings, and incorporating cultural and personal preferences, the architects have created a home that is both functional and deeply connected to its environment. The result is a 3-story residence that offers privacy, beauty, and a sense of tranquility, all while meeting the needs of a modern family.